Alright YouTube, welcome back. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I don't feel like I've got much done. It has been just hot here in central North Carolina, and by the time sun sets, baby's asleep, and I just didn't feel like making the wife mad or the baby mad by interrupting that nap. So what I've gotten done, was able to get the frog off, those three nuts all turned off. I got the bolts out. I should be able to reuse those. It's laying over here. I still have that point on it. I hadn't quite got that bolt drilled out to get that off. I got the handle off, and you can see the crack right there. They torched those holes to put that plate to add it to this one. Here's where that one broke, and they've gummed it together all kinds of different ways. So I'm gonna get that worked on, get that made soon, hopefully. And after I got it off, I did have that bolt that I could not get to turn loose. Bolt I couldn't get to come loose, the second one down in here holding the handle. I couldn't find the head of it, and it had somewhere along the way broken off right flush. So I cut the nut and then put a drift on this thing. There's a opening here in the back of the frame. I got a punch through there and up here sitting on that bolt, and I was able to drive it out. So got that off. Then the handle came right off. And either doing that or driving out the pin back here, I don't know which, got me to this point. And I've not done anything greasing, heating anything, so that's going to turn real nice once I get it apart and cleaned up, especially. So I'm super excited. I'm about ready to pull the beam off of this side. And get this side cleaned up and start putting it back together. But that's where we are so far. And next thing's next. I guess we'll be cleaning up here soon and painting on one side, and then we'll get the other side started on. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.